Pero syempre, before we officially move on to the contract signing proper, there are some very special people that like to send their heartfelt messages para sa'yo. Kaya naman everyone here, let's all watch this.
Hi, Angeline! Happy 15th year anniversary to you. Grabe, 15 years na pala. You deserve all the blessings in your life, sa career, sa family life mo. You deserve all the happiness. And I wish and I pray na magtuloy-tuloy lang lahat ng success in your career and your life. Stay safe always and stay happy like you always are. Happy birthday! Happy 15th year anniversary, gang! God bless you always!
To my dear Angeline Quinto, my favorite singing partner, one of my bestest friends sa loob at labas ng industriya, I want to congratulate you on your 50th year in the business. And of course, I want to congratulate you for being such an amazing performer sa loob ng 15 years. Kasi umpisa pa lang, Star Tower, naging bahagi na ako ng iyong journey. Pero mas ika-congratulate kita for being such a good daughter to Mama and Bob, for being such an amazing mom to Silvio and Sylvia, and for being such an amazing and fabulous wife to Mama. Alam mo, Angeline, napakabuti mong tao, napakabuti mong kaibigan. And I wish you nothing but the very best in everything you do. Alam po, napakarami mo pang gustong gawin sa career mo. Kaya naman, ang advice ko sa'yo is to fasten your seatbelt dahil alam kong baka mamaya hindi mo makayanan ang blessings na ibibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon in the coming days. But for now, happy 15 years. We love you and I thank you for everything.
Hi, Angeline. Ako nga pala yung so congratulations. I heard you're celebrating your 15th year. Minsan napagtatanto ko rin bakit paano kaya umabot yung Angeline Quintos ng 15 years? Kasi pwede namang hindi. Pero ngayon kumaan so i-congratulate kasi you are very talented. You are very good in anything you do, lalo na kung ma-decide mo mag-acting, kung ma-decide mo mag-teleserye, lahat ng ginagawa mo napakahusay, pero higit sa lahat, ang husay-husay mo bilang isang ina. So, ang dami kong pwedeng i-list down kung bakit you are worthy of everything that you have right now. But, I just want to say, looking forward to your next 15 years and looking forward sa kung ano pa, saan ka pa dadalhin ng susunod mong mga taon kasama ang Star Music family mo and of course, kasama kami, lahat ng tao na nagmamahal sa'yo. So congratulations and magkita tayo sa either sa vlog mo, sa mga post mo, sa mga ginagawa mong nakakatawang bagay. Basta nandito lang kami lahat para sa iyo. So, cheers and congratulations. Love you!
Hi, Angge! Wow, 15 years! Grabe, milestone yun, ha? Naalala pa kita nung bata ka pa. Sa Star for a Night, you were only 13 when you started. Bata ka lang mo. Meron ka pa ng kantang sa bahay. But, congratulations. I'm so proud of you.
Congratulations, Angge.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, yung mga minating na sa akin, balikan niya.
May mga minati mo daw.
Congratulations, Angel. We are so proud of you. Higit sa lahat, proud ako dahil magaling kang nanay, magaling kang asawa, yung pagiging performer, given mo, magaling ka talaga. Yung magaling kang isang tao at maging asawa at maging nanay. Yun ang mas gusto ko. Kaya, happy 15th year sa showbiz. Congratulations and I'm so proud of you.
Palakpakan natin. Thank you so much for those wonderful messages. Ate Kyla, Kuya Eric, Kuya Enchong, Sir Ogie, Ate Reg. Ate, I wanna ask you,
Yes!
How does it feel hearing those words?
I'm so blessed. I'm so grateful. I'm Angeline. Hindi, nakakatuwa, nakakasaya ng puso na, alam mo yon, si Eric, si Ate Kyla, si Enchong, and of course si Miss Reg. Kasi lahat yan talagang malapit sa akin. Alam mo yon, yung kapag sila ay talaga yung pinag-uusapan, hindi pwedeng, hahayaan ko lang. Kumbaga, si Miss Reg kagaya ng sinabi niya nga kanina, totoo yun eh, nagkaroon kasi ako dati ng parang altar niya sa kwarto ko. Sa sobrang paghanga ko sa kanya bilang isang singer at bilang isang tao. So, yun yung pinaka, hanggang ngayon, pag nag-flashback sa isip ko, parang grabe. Tapos ngayon, nagbibigay siya ng message sa akin, di ba? Nakakatuwa na yung ultimate idol mo proud sa'yo. And si Eric naman, ang dami na rin kasi namin pinagsamahan talaga ni Eric. Si Ate Kyla and si Encho.
Well, Ate, these messages are a reminder of the people who continue to support you throughout your career at sa mga years to come.
Yes, thank you folks! Ate Kyla, kay Enchong, and kay Miss Reg, salamat po.
Yes, and syempre without further ado, we will now begin our contract signing.
Hi, Sir John!
Another milestone in her career, signing with One Music Management, co-managed by Creative Den. And as we settled in, please, without further ado, let's sign the contracts, please. With a cute pose. Wow, ang cute niya mag-sign ng contract. Oh. Angeline Quinto now joins One Music Management with Creative Den. Siyempre, congratulations, Ate Angel, for another step on your amazing journey. Pero siyempre, as Angeline steps into a new chapter, she also signs to Star Music, where her journey continues to grow with the label that has been a long part of her musical journey. Kaya naman, let's call on the label head, Miss Andy Arellano, label head of Star Music, to join us. Alright, without further ado, let's also sign to that contract as well. The power diva Angeline Quinto joins One Music Management and is back with Star Music. Another milestone moment in her 15 years in the industry. And palakpakan ko natin yan. But syempre, we'd like to hear a few words from our heads. Maybe we can start off with Andy, label head of Star Music, if you have a few words.
Of course, we're so excited to welcome Angeline to the One Music Management family and of course Star Music. I'm such a big fan of you. But of course,
Thank you, Auntie.
of course, yung music mo. And I'm so excited to be a part of the music that you're gonna release very, very soon. Exciting to, very new, pero very Angeline pa rin na minahanap lahat. Yay!
We are
Thank
excited
you,
for
Andy.
that. Siyempre, created the CEO, Miss Kate. Ate Kate.
Mamo.
Pagalitan naman ka naman. Thank you so much for the loyalty. Siguro si Angeline yung taong na nakilala ko, napaka-loyal. Minsan, hindi man siya perfect na tao, pero kasi, para kami family.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga katrabaho niya, tinitreat niya na parang family. So, we're very thankful. And we are very thankful to Sir Roxy and Sir
Thank you, Sir
John
Roxy, yes
for
po.
giving us another family to this management and to this collaboration. Thank you so much. And keep going, keep shining.
Thank you, Mamo. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ate Kate. Sir John, baka may mensahe po kayo.
Ako, Angeline, welcome again and again and again because Angeline Quinto has always been family to ABS-CBN Music. Talagang, syempre, yung artist may journey talaga yan eh. Sometimes nagdi-detour and then will always come home. And then Angeline is coming home dito sa kanyang bahay, sa Star Music. And ever since patuloy ang pangarap, kasama na namin si Angeline. na nangarap. And again, hindi natatapos sa isang pangarap lang. Tuloy-tuloy ang mga pangarap ni Angeline. And Angeline, magkakasama tayong i-achieve yung dreams mo na yun.
Yes,
for
Sir
you.
John, salamat po. Hanggang maging 6 ang pangarap.
Dahil hindi lang isa ang pangarap,
Sa is. Thank you so much, Sir John. At siyempre, Sir Roxy.
Actually, hindi naman nawala si Angeline. The ABS-CBN family as a network, talagang sobrang inalagaan talaga si Angeline for the past 15 years. Siguro, through the movies, sa music, sa television. So, isa siya talaga sa mga babies ng ABS-CBN. Not only ABS-CBN Music, pero the whole company. We love her so much. So, sino ba makakahindi kay Angeline na, sa lahat yata ng bagay sa buhay niya, mula nung sa Inares pa lang, yung
Yes,
Grand
po.
Finals, hanggang gumawa na siya ng album, ng pelikula sa Star Cinema, nakatrabaho namin siya. And in fact, hindi ko lang ma-share ngayon, pero ang dami na namin for the past weeks, we're so excited for new music. Sabi ko kay Anger, every year may album tayong ilalabas because we miss talaga yung iba yung boses niya. She can do different genres, and we're so excited for this album and for the next album, nakaplan na rin yun. And hopefully, in the next few months, magkakaroon na tayo ng isang press for a very big project for Angeline. So, abangan po natin yan.
Thank you, Sir
Thank
Roxy.
you so
Salamat
much, Sir
po.
Roxy. Ate Angge, final words.
Gusto niyo ba English?
Ikaw ba?
Gusto niyo? Tanungin niyo ako.
Yes!
Ako po, syempre, unang-una nagpapasalamat po ako sa Star Music family ko. Dara! Hello! Uy, nandiyan ka pala! Sa Star Music family ko na talagang 15 years, napakalaki ng tiwala sa akin. Sir Jonathan, Sir Roxy, and of course si Andy, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kuya Rox! Si Kuya Rox kasi marami na rin pong songs ang nagawa for me. And sila Ate Abby, Dara, thank you very much. Sa Creative Del Family ko, kay Mamu, Papa Deeds, Ate O's, sa lahat ng mga gusto kong gawin. Talagang 100% po yung suporta na ibinibigay ninyo sa akin. Sisi, thank you, maraming salamat. At wala akong ibang nilook forward sa totoo lang. Gusto ko lang talagang makagawa ng maraming songs pa para sa lahat ng mga tao na hanggang ngayon ay mahal ang music, mahal ang mga kantang ginagawa ko. And siguro kung meron pa po ako isang dream na gustong magawa, yung maka-duet po si Ariana Grande.
Wow!
Tsaka si Miss Mariah Carey. Miss Mariah. Close ba? Joke lang po.
Abangan natin yan.
Aray ko. At syempre, alam nyo guys, bukod sa Star Music Family, ang dami ko pa pong gustong pasalamatan ang Star Magic Family ko, Direk Lore, naninong namin ni Nonre. Maraming salamat po, Direk. Kay Tita Cory, kapag may problema po ako, si Tita Cory ang solusyon. Hindi, isa po siya, parang si Sir Roxy ang nilalapitan ko talaga pag may mga bumabagapag po sa damdamin ko. Sino pa po ba? Marami po. Sir Carlo, thank you very much po. Si Algay, sa lahat ng oras na nagre-reply kayo sa mga text messages ko kahit madaling araw. Ma'am Joyce, of course, si Ma'am Joyce guys. Si Ma'am Joyce po ang talagang parang naging nanay ko, parang si Ma'am Kate. Nag-start pa lang po ang Star Power dati. At syempre si Sir Deo, kung nasan man si Sir Deo ngayon, napakalaking parte po ni Sir Deo Indrinal sa kung nasaan man po ako ngayon. And of course, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito ngayon, maraming salamat. Alam ko marami kayong ginagawa, pero sa celebration na to, thank you kasi talagang nagpunta kayo. Kay Dave, maraming salamat sa'yo, Dave. Suddenly it's magic.